In this video, very simple video, we're gonna cut a hole in drywall. There's a bunch of different things you could be doing around this that you might still have questions about, but this in particular is just the simple use of the saw to cut the hole itself. That's what we're talking about here. So for my example, I'm just gonna say I need a box like, let's put it in the middle, right in the middle. Okay, rough around there. Okay, so that's the box that I need. It's a couple of different tools and techniques that you could use to do this. Presumably it's a wall. The way that I find more successful here, so first I'm going to get started in a corner. So I pick a corner here. If I turn that, can you see that just a little better? Okay, so I pick a corner. And this is a drywall knife. It's a tool specifically for this application. It only does this one job, but they're not expensive, so definitely pick one up. So I start right in the corner, and I just wiggle. Wiggle and push, wiggle and push, wiggle and push. There we go, now we're started. So, and obviously I'm holding onto the wall. Yours is an actual wall, it's a little more sturdy. So once we're all the way through, pull back, push again. I'm not pushing down here. I'm kind of just letting the saw do the work. And stop. Don't like shoot right on by the corner. If you can, try to get it right in at the corner. Now, I could do the same thing. Push and wiggle in here and get started. And a lot of people would, and there's nothing wrong with that. I do have a tendency to like coming from the other direction here. It's weak at the corner there, and sometimes you'll go to push right next to an area that you've already cut, and it just kind of breaks the whole piece away, and that's why I like to do that. And similarly, right now, I'm not going to start here and continue up. I'm going to start on the top. Get in there. Down. Now, I could carefully go across, probably going to work just fine, but it would do a pretty fine job here if you took out your razor knife or box cutter, and we're just going to score a light line. That's it. So I could cut if I want to, right? There's nothing wrong with doing that. But now, because it's not attached all the way around, take the heel of your knife. Oh, I was gonna like, you didn't even have to, it just falls away. Now I could use the knife here. I think the blade would do a cleaner job so that the paper doesn't pull at this point, because that's what'll happen with the rough cut saw. With that last little bit hanging on the back here, you know, the paper will get cut or caught in that saw, the rough tooth saw, and start to pull and peel. And so to just make a cleaner job of it, I do like that razor knife for the last little bit there. So very basic video, how to cut a hole in drywall. Drywall saw, razor knife. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, just remember I'm technically Steve, and it would technically help you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'll see you later.